dogs. Dog trips over the puppies all the time when he's trying to play. Ouch. Ouch. Americus! He gets crazy. Kennedy! Come here, baby girl. Oh, you're so cute. Yes, you are. Could you just stand there and be cute? No? Is that impossible? Yeah, no, that's impossible. Oh, I know, Doc. Isn't she cute? Oh, she's just beautiful. My boy. We're just going to observe everybody from here.